So this is a random video of Enugu GRA. That's the old GRA. This place is just behind Parklane Hospital. So that is Enugu State University Teaching Hospital, Parklane. So this is the road leading out from GRA to Parklane. I'm sure you want to see what this place looks like. So we're just leaving an inspection, and I thought to just, do a video, short video, for the sake of those that lives around here or lives around here or would like to see what this area looks like currently. This is behind Parklane. This is GRA, just behind Parklane. Parklane is Enugu State University Teaching Hospital. So we're driving towards All Saints bus stop. We just left an inspection and we're driving out, and I thought to just, flip my camera and do this short video for you to see what this place looks like. You can see to the left there, that is ASUT. This is actually the temporal site of Parklane. Parklane is the ASUT teaching hospital in Enugu. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Pardon the screen. Yes, that day, of course, like I said, it was a very unplanned video and I had done a couple of inspections, so my screen was a little off dusty. This is a video of GRA Enugu. This is ASUT Parklane to the left there. You will see the symbols right now, and we were heading towards All Saints. All Saints is still around GRA there, around Okpara Avenue, Garden Avenue. We're heading towards that place, and I thought to just show you what this area looks like as at now. This is ASUT Teaching Hospital there. And we're crossing over towards ShopRite, that's Polo Park Mall. We're crossing over towards Polo Park Mall and then down to Garden Avenue, Okpara Avenue. If you like this type of mini videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Please tell me the area in Enugu you would like to see like this as well, and we will make our time, go there and make a video for you. Enjoy the rest of this video, I'm sure you will. I'm Jeff Anozie. If you're looking for a property within Enugu, please call us, call the numbers on your screen, and we will get a property that befits what you want and at the budget you want. That is the ShopRite Polo Park Mall in Enugu. Till I hear from you, enjoy a fantastic day and bye for now.